I got selected for this the other night when we were doing the telephone call. And the ladies decided it would be really nice to have a guy talk about cleaning products, which I thought was kind of sexist, you know. Like we're not supposed to know anything about cleaning products. In my case, my dad was a laundry chemist, so I actually know a little bit more about laundry cleaning products than a lot of people do. His job, going back as far as I can remember, was usually with some company that made the commercial laundry supplies, that big laundries and hotels that have their own commercial laundry, dry cleaning, all these chemicals that they use. Well, my dad was the guy that went around, tested the water to see what was in the water, because that's the determining factor. And if you have, we're talking about iron, if you have a lot of iron in your water, that's what turns the sheets yellow. It's the combination of the iron that stays in the sheet and the salt from the sweat. The sheets actually rust. That's what causes the discoloration. It's rust. Anyway, I don't pay that much attention to it. To me, doing laundry is a chore, you know. So what I do pay attention to is dollars and cents, okay? And this is what I was using. I was using one of these, you know, off my bottle of Tide to do a load of laundry. And I was happy with the results. Now I'm using one of these, and you can see there's a considerable, now it costs twice as much for the bottle of Shackley laundry soap as it does the liquid, as it does for the Tide. But I'm going from one of these to one of these, I'm saving a ton of money. That I noticed, you know. But what really got my attention, a couple of weeks ago, I came back from a baseball game, and I had been in the dirt, playing in the dirt, you know how guys are. And the material that they use for baseball infields, most of it comes from, they use petite sand. If you don't know what petite sand is, it's the sand that comes from south of town. It's got the orange color to it, which of course is also iron. And I got into that. That was good strawberry. Yeah, good strawberry. Well, normally that doesn't quite come out, so I thought, well, I'll tell you what, I had bought some of that. I never can remember the name of it. Nature Bright. Yeah, I bought some of this Nature Bright, and I saw on the thing from Team 21 they were talking about Nature Bright and how do you use it in a high efficiency cleaner, high efficiency washing machine. And the consensus of opinion seemed to be that you mix hot water, put it in hot water, shake it up, and make a liquid out of it, and then add that to your, which, you know, this front type that uses very little water, and add it that way. So I thought, okay, I got a top loader. Rather than just throw it in there, I'll just fill it a couple inches fill with hot water, add in a couple of scoops of this, stir it up a little bit, and let my pants soak overnight, and then just go ahead and put the rest of the stuff in and wash it. Well, I did, and it came clean. And I was just absolutely amazed. So I thought, if it'll work on that. Now this is an old pair of pants that I had. If you look at the inside of it here, you can see, I know this particular pair of baseball pants I bought at least 12, 15 years ago. And not only was it totally stained, I mean red in all the knees, grass stains all over it, it also had some stuff that I guess I picked up in the garage. It looked like grease stains or something. Looked like maybe the cat had been sleeping on it.
And maybe a few other things.
This was something that I would have been embarrassed to paint a house with, you know. When you grade your clothing, you know, there's this, you wear this for this and this for this, and the bottom of the line is something that you wear when you're painting. Well, that's where this was, all right? So I put this in the machine and tried it exactly the same way. And these pair of pants, this is as clean as they've ever been since the day I brought them home from Academy Sports 12, 15 years ago. And I did the same thing. I just made up some hot water, let them soak for a while in the thing overnight or something, And then the next day, I just pulled the thing, the little knob back out, let the machine fill up, put in the rest of the nylon clothes I was going to add, put in a squirt of laundry soap, and that's the result.
Fantastic.